Hello, what is up everybody? It's Silver Spartan back with another video. So today I'm going to be doing an Apmex unboxing. It's just some packaging. So I already opened this up. As you can see, it's a little bit of tape. I just did that to make sure that everything was actually there so I could confirm that I got everything. And I also ripped off the shipping label because, sorry guys, I just don't want you knowing where I live. Don't take it personally. Anyway, so we open this up. I do like the sturdy packaging that they use when they ship their orders. It is nice. Pull this out and get rid of this box. Alright, so again, already been opened just to make sure everything was there, but we'll pretend like this is the first time. So, what is up first? 3 mystery coins. Alright, we got the 2018 Somali elephant coins. So I decided to pick up 3 of these to go along with the ones that I already have. I believe I have 3 of the 15, 3 of the 16, and 3 of the 17 as of right now. I'm going to continue to get 3 each year. I don't believe I'm going to go back and pick up any more of the earlier dates just because the premiums are too high. I'm going to continue to stack them as each new year comes, just because you can get them for the low premiums if it's the year that if you buy the year that it currently is, you can get a pretty low premium, and hopefully they'll go up over time and become some of the higher premium older coins. And then the other thing we have to unbox today, I picked up 2 of the Unicorn of Scotland 2-ounce coins. As you can see here, they're quite nice. So other thing I did, my bad, so I did open it up to make sure everything was there, and I did put them into coin capsules because it'd also be easier to handle for the video. So you do have to pay extra if you want coin capsules. It's a whole debate on people that do use them and people that don't use them. Do you want to pay the extra money for coin capsules? I say screw it, I just do it. It's a couple bucks, and it makes me feel better because then I can actually handle them and I don't have to worry about tarnishing them. So these are very, very nice coins. I am very impressed with the design on these. They look great. And I'm very happy to have added 2 of these. That's continuing with the Queen's Beasts, and what I've done there is I've gotten 2 from each year. I already have the Lion, the Griffin, and the Dragon, and now I'm set 2 of each year. That's what I'm currently doing with that. And the little mystery bonus, if you saw the title of this video, if you saw the and more and bonus, I'm not sure what I'm going to title it yet, but boom. 1964 Kennedy. I got this for Christmas and I just thought it was so funny and thought I had to show you guys. So, giant 1-pound milk chocolate 1964 Kennedy coin. I just thought that was pretty funny and had to show you guys. Anyways, thank you so much for watching. So we got these, got this, and please make sure to subscribe. I'm gonna be posting a lot more videos this coming year, and I would really appreciate it if you guys could stay tuned for more. Thank you so much for watching. Peace out, guys.